Hey, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here in our historic rental project. And look at this monster. You got this large steel I-beam. Comes all the way to the exterior wall here. Basically flies the full 24-foot plus width of the house. And you can see it's sitting on a steel beam there. So this one is going to go up into the floor here. They're going to reinforce this with a couple walls later this week, and then they're going to cut through the joist and put that new beam in here, and then that's going to tee into that beam that you see on the ground there. That's going to run across that opening, and then we'll be able to take that wall out. We'll be able to support this floor at mid-span, and then that'll give us this nice grandiose opening from what is to be the new kitchen out into the new family room, and looking out those two beautiful sliders that we're going to have out there. So, all right, Steve Basic Architect out at our historic reno.